Doing the sound effects, Gloria and Dan. Take it away whenever you're ready.
You never know when you might have to get out of here quickly. Because we got trouble here in the park.
Oh, no!
Let me turn off the radio.
Close the curtains. I'm sorry. I'm a little hungry.
Yeah, I understand it.
Look, we've got trouble here at the park.
It's so hard with everything going in such a world, you know. I wish everything would just settle down for it. Oh, listen! Complete silence!
That's what I mean. Something's up. It's been too quiet around here lately.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, no! Oh.
Daddy, no! Go! Go! Daddy, no! Go! I know. They like to watch me, please. No. Daddy has to work. Now go see Mommy. Go see Mommy.
You shouldn't have your children here with the dinosaurs in the room.
Good point.
That was my best impression. Look.
Very nice. That's great. I'm going to drop the power on the gate so we can go out into the jungle.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't play with your mother. I got the wrong switch. Ready? Listen, now the electricity is flowing through it. And now it's not. It worked. There's still a little bit of electricity in there. Help me with it.
Listen, it sounds like really heavy food. You're on the vortex. Look out!
Get out of there!
Get away! There's a Tyrannosaurus right behind you, you stupid.
Well, it's not a very big one, is it? But they will get bigger. Oh, thank God the chopper's here. It's never going to be able to lift us up with those tiny propellers.
No.
Quiet. Raptors. They seem pretty peaceful.
You know,
I thought they'd be worse than that.
perhaps we should go out there ourselves and have a look around.
Not unprotected, we won't.
I'll just cock it.
Point it away from me.
Quick, get in the Jeep.
Right.
Oh.
I better remember.
Let's go back in there.
Thank you very much. That was fantastic.